In today's quick video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I made over $23,000 from this one YouTube Shorts channel. It's been exactly 2 years today since I created the channel on August 17, 2023. The channel has gained over 3.3 million subscribers. I've earned over 20,000 US dollars. And honestly, if you had told me that when I started my channel, I would not have believed you. I'm not flexing, I'm not showing off. I just want to inspire you guys because I know you've got your own YouTube Shorts channels. Maybe you've clicked onto this video thinking, what is YouTube Shorts? How do I get started? It worked for me, but I definitely had moments where I wanted to give up and create a new channel because it was very, very hard in the beginning. As we can see here, these are the views that I was getting from the very first months. Some days I got 0 views. It was awful. The channel was created in August. For the rest of that year, I saw no traction, and then in February, things just took off. As we can see here, some really good months from February to about May. Then in June, July, it was still pretty good, but ever since then, I transitioned to original content, and we've had a few ebbs and flows. There were months where it just went absolutely bonkers, but as we can see here from the trend, it stayed very consistent. Most recently, I've hit a pretty big number, but as we can see here in August, it's been about 300 to 600,000 views a day. And in the last 48 hours, we've hit just under 800,000, which is still really, really good. And if we look here at estimated revenue for the channel, everything was just unmonetized until February, where it just took off. The first big pay I got was $121 in one day. And the most I've ever earned in a single day from this channel was $241. And also here was pretty high at about $251. So that's just crazy. Other than that, my channel, some days it could have $6. Just depends on the quality of your videos, what you upload. There will be days where you get crazy views and make a lot of money, but there will be days where you don't get any views at all. Some days I could make up to $2, which isn't great. Currently, I'm averaging on about 15 US dollars a day. But as we can see here, all it takes is a few viral videos and you could be making hundreds of dollars every single day just from uploading silly videos on YouTube. I want you guys to know that it will take a lot of dedication and work, just like any other thing that you pursue to become successful. But honestly, if I could give you my advice, it would just be to stay consistent, keep trying new ideas, understanding the algorithm, how analytics work, following different metrics to see if likes or subscribers or swipe rate pay the most in terms of getting your videos out there and going viral. Just stay at it, keep editing, keep posting, and you will eventually get there. And if you watched my last video I just posted, we went through a few videos that had a super high stay to watch swipe rate. Now here we can see this is the channel average, so just under 80% of people that watch my videos stayed to watch and didn't just swipe away. That's what you want to be aiming for. You need to stay consistent across all of your videos for this specific metric. When I started my channel, a lot of people were swiping away, and that's why my videos went pushed out to an extended audience. YouTube saw that the videos were low performing, so they were never going to go viral. Once I understood this, I kept perfecting, keeping a hook at the beginning of the video, using engaging content, trying new clever ideas, and eventually this number boosted up, and that's when I saw a lot of views coming in. I was able to monetize my channel and it just took off. So honestly, just check for this metric, keep posting. It won't go up overnight, but gradually over time, if you stay consistent, this is exactly what you'll need to aim for. And in order to get paid on YouTube, you have to be monetized firstly. So you have to be entered into the YouTube Partner Program. Then you'll need to set up a Google AdSense account, just like this one here. So each month, around the 21st or the 22nd day of that month, you'll receive an email from Google AdSense. It looks just like this one, and it'll let you know that you've just received a payment from your YouTube channel or channels. Now, here is my latest. So it tells you your YouTube earnings. That's your balance. That was the last payment, so that's in Australian dollars. And it's just a really great feeling knowing that you can make a supplementary income, even if it's just passive income on the side as a side hustle. For me, I still have a full-time job. This is just something I do on the side and make videos for you guys because I genuinely am passionate about teaching exactly how I did this because anyone can do it. And depending on, if you're working full-time or if you're a student, all it takes is a few hours a day, a few hours a week to be able to make this type of passive income. I am so glad that I stuck to it and created this YouTube channel. I don't know where it's going in the next year or 2 years. I don't know what's going to happen, but I've really just appreciated having this opportunity with YouTube to create this content, to show you guys exactly how I did it, and I'm not planning to stop anytime soon. So I hope this has given you the inspiration you needed. And guys, please comment in the comment section your YouTube channel's name, anything that you're struggling with, or if you've had any great videos perform lately. I'd love to check it out and see how you're all tracking. But this video was not a flex, like I said. It's just me showing you guys how I got here in the first place. It took 2 years and it's still gradually building up, but I'm just really happy with how things have turned out. And if I look at my channel now, it's definitely not performing at the level of about a year ago when I was getting millions and millions of views, but it's still really consistent. I'm still getting hundreds of thousands of views every single day, and you guys can definitely get there. Now, if you want to learn more about exactly how I got here in the first place, please check out my other tutorials. They go for about 40 to an hour on my YouTube channel, the one that you're watching right now. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and have a great day. Keep grinding and you will get here very, very soon.